Hello everyone, welcome back my friends of the channel. Phil Pravda here, Suit Cafe, and I have a treat for you. This is a new unboxing of 2 pairs of custom-made shoes. That's right, as you know, on the website, and you've seen other videos that I posted about custom-made shoes. We're going to do one about the whole custom-made configurator that's on the website so you can see how to make your own custom-made shoes. But these are 2 custom-made that we just got. I know one is a beautiful multicolor patina finish, and the other one is a little hard to explain. It's our limited edition shoe. It's called DUNE. It's like waves of sand dune. It's on the website. I'm going to show it to you right now. And the unboxing, here is the box, all sealed up. As some of you may know, our shoes are handmade in Spain, as the tape says. They really want you to know, made in Spain. So here's the box. Let's get the scissors out. And we got 2 shoe boxes in here. And right after I open these up and show them to you, these are going to get shipped out directly to the clients who purchase them. One of these is going to Florida, and the other one is going to, I don't remember where the other one is going to. I should have looked it up first. I think Indiana, but one is going to Florida for sure. Okay, so here we go. 2 boxes. And let me take one out here first. I'll show you the, okay, this one is the full brogue. Here's how the box comes, just like that. Each shoe is individually wrapped in shoe bags. And this one is a beauty. I mean, really beautiful. Look at this shoe. This is patina, multicolor, in the full brogue. Look at that. Fire patina in the sort of tannish brown. And then you have the olive green in between there with the red laces. And the red laces, of course, match the red rubber sole. I mean, look at that gorgeous, gorgeous sole, all in rubber. And this is a very, very lightweight sole. This shoe is very, very light. You would think with this box calf and maybe the thick rubber, this would be heavy. But this is, I mean, this, I don't know if you can tell, but this is super lightweight shoe. I mean, really amazing. Fully leather lined on the inside. The customer chose brown for the interior. And every part of the shoe is customizable. So you could buy it just like this on the website, or you could change it. Let's say you don't want red leather on the bottom, red rubber on the bottom, you want brown rubber. Or if you want leather, you could have leather on the bottom. You could have different color leathers on the bottom. You could change the laces. You could change, you don't want patina, which is this sort of antiqued finish. You don't have to have that. You could have regular shiny leather in the box calf, or the vitello calf skin, which is a slightly softer leather. Many things. You could do crocodile, you could do ostrich, you could make python, you could make the insert a different, you could put fabric from a suit fabric, like a bespoke fabric in here and another color leather out here. You could send us the fabric from your suit. We can put it in the shoe and design the rest of it, and you will have shoes with the matching fabric of your suit in the shoe. That's how customizable we could get with these. But these just came out beautiful. This is a size 11, just so you get an idea for the sizing. But I'm not going to take the other one out, but just to give you an idea, look at that one in the full brogue. Just really gorgeous. So let me put this one back. We're going to take the other one out. And they smell good. You know how the new shoes smell? The new leather, the new finish. Smell nice. Until someone gets the foot in it. Ah, ha, ha. Okay, so let's put this down over here, right in the box. And now let's take out the next shoe. This one is a hole cut shoe. Now, a hole cut means that there are no seams. This shoe doesn't have any seams on it. And the finish is one of our limited edition finishes. These shoes take 27 days to make in Spain. Oh, I could already see this is a crazy. I mean, I'm going to do the unveiling like a new car, like it's a Porsche. Wow. Unbelievable shoe. Look at that. With the day-night sole. This is a special sole called day-night, right there with the rubber, with the little bumps on the bottom, and the day-night sole. This sole is made, the shoe is made in Spain. This sole is made in England. It's a special day-night sole that's made in England. And can you see the finish on that? I'm going to hold it up closely. Hopefully you could see the finish on that shoe if the camera's going to focus in, as I held it a little closer, just like I did with the ties in my last video. I held them up close, and hopefully we were able to see it. We call this DUNE. The reason why we call it DUNE is because of the waviness of this finish. It looks like sand dunes that are just sort of like blowing in the wind. This is the grayish blue version. It's on the website. I have it right there. It's called Gray Dune Patina, limited edition. These shoes, $570 on the website, exactly as you see it here. It also comes in a brown finish. And the other one that I showed you, just so you know the price, is $540. So these are $570. The other is $540. And there is no other extra cost. So you don't have to pay for shipping from Spain. You don't have to pay customs duty. You don't have to pay shipping to your house anywhere. We take care of all of that. All you do is you pay for the shoe. That's it. And unfortunately, the limited edition is not customizable. You have to buy it as is, just like this. We can't have people customize limited edition because these are not easy to make. These take a long time and not easy to make. The sole, the interior leather is... The interior leather, I believe, is either dark charcoal or black. It's hard to tell in this lighting. But really beautiful. This is an 11.5. And this toe, as you could see, that's a slightly squared toe. Unlike the toe on the other shoe, which was the more rounded toe. This is the slightly squared toe. So you could choose which toe you like when you make your own pair of shoes. Just like that. So here we go. Limited edition, $570. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I have to pack these shoes up and get them to their customers. They've been waiting quite a while for these shoes. And look, I hope they're going to like them so far. Everyone who buys the shoes is just ecstatic when they see them. Really ecstatic. We just shipped yesterday a pair of shoes, the full brogue wingtip black shoe with the red shoelaces, and it has a red piping around the edge of the sole, even though the sole is black rubber. So those also came out really, really great. I think I have an unboxing of those prior, so I didn't do another one. So thanks for watching. Please hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. We'll be doing more unboxings, more new merchandise coming for fall. And of course, my other videos about clothing, how to fold your suit jacket for your luggage, how to fold a shirt like in a factory, and how to fold your trousers and your jeans for travel. 2 different ways. You don't fold trousers and jeans the same way. Hope you like this video, and see you all again when I'm back at it.